It is predicted in the Puranas that the Hare Krishna movement would spread around the world. More and more people across the globe are becoming aware that the present civilization is not a benediction to the world, but in fact it is ruining the world. So in fact, an increasing number of people are beginning to question their existence, and the Vedas have the answers. In the Brahma Vaivarta Purana, in a conversation with Ganga Devi, Lord Sri Krishna describes that after 5,000 years of Kali Yuga have passed, a great sage and worshipper of Sri Krishna's holy names will appear and spread the chanting of Krishna's names not only in India, but throughout the world. Krishna says, after the first 5,000 years of Kali Yuga has elapsed, a pure devotee will be born and he will spread the chanting of Krishna's holy names all over the world. And this person is no one else but His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also said, in every town and village of the world the chanting of my name will be heard. This is stated in Chaitanya Bhagavat, Antya Lila, 4th chapter, verse 126. More than 100 years ago, it was also foretold by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He said that very soon the unparalleled path of Harinam Sankirtan will be propagated all over the world. Oh, for that day when the fortunate English, French, Russian, German, and American people will take up banners, mridangas, and karatals and raise kirtan throughout the streets and towns. When will that day come? He said that in the year 1885. And now, 138 years later, as you can see in this beautiful kitchen in Zurich, Switzerland, a group of young girls are cooking for Sri Krishna. And the background of these young people are different. Some are coming from Switzerland, some are from Russia, some are from Ukraine, some are from Macedonia, like myself. And we are all together united with love and devotion serving Krishna. These young girls have given their lives to Krishna, and now enthusiastically they are learning how to cook pure vegetarian traditional food for Sri Krishna. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita that foods in the mode of goodness increase the duration of life, purity, one's existence, and give strength, health, happiness, and satisfaction. Such foods are juicy, fatty, wholesome, and pleasing to the heart. Foods that are too bitter, too sour, salty, too hot, dry, and burning are dear to those in the mode of passion. Such foods cause distress, misery, and disease. Food prepared more than 3 hours before being eaten, food that is tasteless, decomposed, and food consisting of remnants and untouchable things is dear to those in the mode of darkness. And what are these untouchable things? This is meat, fish, and eggs. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, verse 27, Sri Krishna says, whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, and whatever austerities you perform, do that, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me. And here you can see that all these young girls, they are serving Krishna with love and devotion. They are cooking for him, and whatever they cook, it will be offered on the altar to our Shishi, Gornitai, and Lord Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Maharani. So in the purport of this verse, Srila Prabhupada says, thus it is the duty of everyone to mold his life in such a way that he will not forget Krishna in any circumstance. Everyone has to work for maintenance of his body and soul together, and Krishna recommends herein that one should work for him. Everyone has to eat something to live. Therefore, he should accept the remnants of foodstuffs offered to Krishna. Any civilized man has to perform some religious ritualistic ceremonies. Therefore, Krishna recommends, do it for me. And this is called archana. Sri Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita 9 verse 34, Manmanabhava madbhakto madyajimam namaskuru mame vaishyasi yuktvaibam atmamamat parayanam. Engage your mind always in thinking of me, become my devotee, offer obeisances to me and worship me. Being completely absorbed in me, surely you will come to me. Jai Sri Krishna ki Jai, Bhagavad Gita ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.
Difference in attitude, a difference in even the little things that they do with more care and attention. Because in the temple we learn Krishna is the center. At home you will never learn that. Because whatever I cook is for me to be offered to Krishna. I will do it according to my time. That's why my Gurudev also said, even if you have deities at home, you go and do service at the temple, because at the temple is equivalent to pure devotional service. It's not about us. The time is His, the offering is His, the quality of the offering is His. Do the best that you can. We should do the best that we can. We don't know what is given to us, what time is given to us, how long it lasts, when it's over, and we can ever do it again. I thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you so much. I really thank you so much. And also because it's an extension of the altar. When we finish, when we start, when we finish, we always be obeisances. We also accept our obeisances.